I'm going to show you my blue pea flowers again. They're actually a little bit purple, but I'm growing these vines and they're just doing amazing. Now I have a ton of pea flowers that I can actually make tea from them. I collect them. Some of them don't make it into the kitchen because I just munch on them. They taste kind of like a pea. These are full of antioxidants. They also have melatonin. Here's the little bean. If I don't catch it in time, I just let that grow. It's not really a great bean, but I'll save it for seeds. So look at these. They're just climbing all over my trellis. And I'll take them in and make a tea. And then the others I'll just dehydrate to save for a tea later. There, I just pop them in the mouth. Tons of fresh nutrients. So I'm going to take these in today to make a tea, and then some I will dehydrate. Aren't they just gorgeous? So I have a dehydrator. I wash them. I put them on the tray, put them in overnight and dehydrate them on the lowest temperature so that they keep their nutrients. And then I can store these in a jar for later. So if you live in a cooler climate, you can do that. Here I'm just adding hot water to the blue matcha, and isn't that gorgeous? I have it ready to go. I keep it in a glass container because that's better than plastic, of course. Here I made it I put a lot of ice, so it's not very strong. You can brew it as strong as you like. It's a beautiful drink, and then of course we save the seeds so I can start the whole process over and over.